Welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 8, Inequivalent Equations Practice Problems. Select all equations for which -3 is a solution. So coming down here, we are going to x squared. When we take the square root of this, we get x is plus 3 and minus 3, so A works. You can't take the even root of a negative number. The cube root of 27 is only positive 3, so that doesn't work. The cube root of negative 27 gives negative 3, so D works. Divide by negative 1, because that's negative 1 times x squared equals negative 9. We can't take even roots of negative numbers. Negative x squared. Negative x squared is x squared equals 9. Take the root, you get plus 3, you get minus 3. So F works. So A, D, and F. Okay, they want us to use the graph to estimate the solutions. Then they want us to find exact solutions. We're just going to find an exact solution. So when you see a cube root is done to a variable, you have to cube it. So cubing gets rid of that cube root, and x pops out. We cube the other side, we get 8. If we cube both sides, x is going to be equal to negative 91.125. We just put that in the calculator. We cube both sides here. X is equal to 52.7 and a bunch of other numbers. So we'll just leave it as 0.7. It rounds to well, it's not equal, it's approximately. And then this is what they want us to do with the graph. They want us to say 2, go over to 2, and then go down. And there's no way you're going to tell that's 8 because the intervals on x is 30. So we wouldn't have gotten anywhere. Okay, looking at number 3, which are solutions to x cubed equals 25? So x cubed equals negative 125. We take the cube roots of both sides. You can take the cube root of a negative number. It's negative 5 as the only answer. Okay, use powers of 16 in the top row. Use radicals or rationals in the second row. So we are going to write 16 to the negative 1, negative 3/4, 16 to the negative 1/2, and then 16 to the 0. So these are growing by fourths. 16 to the negative 3/4 is 1 over the 4th root of 16 cubed. The 4th root of 16 is 2. Then I'll cube it, and that give me 1 over 8. 1 over the 4th root of 16 is 2, so this is 1/2. And how do we know? We put it in the calculator. So you hit 16, caret button is over the division symbol. I put negative 3 divided by 4, and then hit enter. And you get a number, and then you hit math, enter, enter. Math is under the green button to turn it into a fraction. Okay, number 5. The square root of x equals negative 8. There's no real solutions. We're going to say real. We're going to insert the word real. There is a solution, but we haven't learned it yet. Okay, let's see if we can solve these problems. So if we subtract 6 from both sides, x squared equals 49. Take the square root, and x equals plus or minus 7. Or plus n minus 7. So x squared plus 16 minus 16 on both sides. X squared equals negative 16. We can't take the square root of a negative number, so we write no real solution. Add 3.25 to both sides. X squared equals 25. Take the square root. X equals plus or minus 5.